Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S23 FE Messenger notifications not working issue. So to fix this issue, first of all open Messenger app and then click on this option icon and now click on settings icon. Now here scroll down and click on notifications and sounds and then turn on notifications and sounds button. Now here click on allow notifications and then turn on notification previews button. After that, go to your home screen and open settings and in settings scroll down and open apps. Now here in apps scroll down and open Messenger and now force stop the Messenger app and click on OK and after that go to your home screen and restart your phone.